Back at the start of November, I mentioned that after our Black Friday sales, starting in December of 2024, we were going to do an overall price reduction at NBP. Well, we're here. What is that price reduction? Okay, here's how it's going to work out. The first one, NBP FC3, that's our awesome, frequency separation panel, that's going to remain at $39 US. Every other panel is going to $79 US. And that includes our new one, CGP, $79 US. We have been trying to consider everyone's feedback about tools that actually make sense, tools that breed creativity, tools that are accessible. And price is a big part of accessibility. So moving forward, our panels are $79. Now, what happens over the next year or two? I don't know. We have to adapt to the market. We have to adapt to the economy. But right now, I did some analyzing and determined that we are going to offer $79 per panel, and FC3 is going to be $39. And you can spend less as well when it comes to the bundles, because those are going to be offered as well and have different pricing. It may sound like generic marketing jargon, but we really want to get all of these tools in artists' hands. Okay, we have to run a business, obviously, but this is as low as we can realistically go and make the tools accessible and still run a business. So we hope that makes a difference for all of you. We hope that you'll jump on board and try out NBP panels. We're really, really proud of everything that we've accomplished, and we have some cool things coming up. So check it out. All NBP panels, $79 each, and FC3 is $39.